Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change an interior door handle. Today I'll be changing an interior door handle in a 2006 Honda Accord. But procedures will vary, so be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you will do. Use a trim tool to gently pry off the panel around the window controls. Once the control panel is free, disengage any wiring harnesses connecting the panel to the door. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pick to remove the panel on the inside of the door handle. Remove the fasteners from behind that panel. Use your pick or flathead screwdriver to remove the panel from inside the grab handle of the door. Remove the fasteners from behind that panel. If you're replacing the door handle in a front door, you may need to remove a panel from the inside of your side mirror as well. Now you should be able to use your trim tool to pry the whole interior door panel from the door itself. Use caution when the panel comes loose. There are still wires connecting the panel to the door. Disengage the rod or cable to the door handle from the bracket securing it, and the catch keeping its end in place at the handle. If there's a light in the door, you'll also need to disengage the bulb and any fasteners securing the wire to the panel. Once all connecting wires are detached, remove the door panel and set it with the back or inside of the panel face up on a table or a workbench. Now detach the door handle from the panel. Ours has 3 tabs we'll press in to disengage them. Then lower the handle through the opening in the panel. Lift your new replacement handle up through the opening from the bottom. Snap the handle's tabs into place and test the handle to make sure it's properly secured. To reinstall the door panel, move it into position near the door and reattach any wires you detached for removal, starting with the bulb and its wire, if your door has a courtesy light. Feed the wiring harness for the window controls up through its opening, and we'll reinstall the cable to the door handle by inserting its end at the handle, securing it with the catch, then sliding it into the bracket to hold it in place. To secure the door panel, start at the top, making sure the door lock slips through its opening, and pressing the top edge into place at the window. When the top edge is properly seated, the tabs along the sides of the panel should align with the openings on the door. Gently tap the tabs into place along the sides and the bottom of the panel. Check the panel to make sure it's securely fastened all the way around. Reinstall the trim piece from the inside of your mirror, if applicable. Reinstall the fasteners you removed from behind the new door handle and press their cover back into place. Reinstall the fasteners behind the grab handle of the door and replace the cover. Reconnect the wiring harness or harnesses to the window controls. Snap the window switch bezel back into place, making sure it's seated all the way around. Test to make sure that the door handle is functioning correctly. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.